Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 8th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2022. Grab your basket my friends, time to go apple picking. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all an amazing old-fashioned apple crisp. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it is comfort food at its best. And we're going to put a yummy cinnamon oatmeal crisp topping. Everybody's going to fall in love with this. Perfect for fall. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my apple recipes playlist, my fall baking recipes playlist, and my previous video, sweet potato cheesecake snickerdoodle cookies. I'll post link to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your cinnamon, your oatmeal, and get your apples peeling sugar because we're about to bake some apple crisp magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our apples. I'm using Granny Smith, or you can use Golden Delicious, Honey Crisp, or Empire apples, whatever your heart desire. And I have 3 large ones. If using medium, use 6. And we're going to peel them, core them, and slice them. Alright, I got all my apples together and I place them into my bowl. So now it's time to add in 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. It will prevent the apples from turning brown. Plus, it will give it extra flavor. And we're going to add in 1/2 cup of white sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And some spices. I have 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon each of ground allspice, ground cardamom, and kosher salt. And give it a quick stir until everything's well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring up my apples and it created a glaze. And it smells heavenly. Nothing like the smell of apple pie spices. Smells like fall. Alrighty, now we're ready to pour the apples into our pie plate. We're going to pour them in a 9-inch pie plate that I grease with butter. Or you can scoop them. And make sure you pour all that glaze on top. I love making crisp. Simple, easy, and tasty. And I made a few on my channel. Blueberry, peach, and the strawberry crisp. And I'll post a link to my fruit crisp playlist down below in the description box. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the apples aside while we work on the best part, our oatmeal crisp topping. In my large bowl, I have 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in 1/2 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. Our spices, 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon each of kosher salt, ground allspice, and ground cardamom. 3/4 cup of 5-minute rolled oatmeal. Or you can use the old-fashioned oatmeal. And 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of cold unsalted butter. And using clean hands, we're just going to cut the butter in until it reaches coarse crumbs. Nothing like apples and cinnamon. Like a warm blanket. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting my butter and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, this is what our crisp topping look like. Nice coarse crumbs. That looks great. Just sprinkle it right on top. Like so. Alrighty, now we're ready to put this gorgeous apple crisp in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven. And we're going to let it bake for about 45 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Old-fashioned apple crisp. It's nice and golden brown. And it smells phenomenal. Ain't nothing like the smell of apples baking. So now I'm going to let it cool for about 10 minutes. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a bowl and I'm serving it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And also, you can jazz it up by adding a drizzle of caramel sauce if you like. But doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me an apple and a little crisp. Look at that. Have a bite. Apple's nice and tender and they're perfectly cooked. I love that crunch of the oatmeal crumble. And I can taste the spices bursting with flavor. This is divine and yummy, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm going to grab me a little ice cream. Yum-o. Apple crisp licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.